Hi, good to see you guys again. Today we're going to draw a fish under the water. Follow along. Here we go. Now let's start with a roller coaster looking hump on top. And then we'll want to make the same roller coaster but kind of upside down, going the other way. So let it be the body of the fish. Now we'll work on the tail. Curved arc on top, and then a curved arc on the bottom, and a squiggly line connecting the two. Now to make him look a little cartoony, I'm going to give this fish a big nose on the end. That looks kind of fun. I'm going to work on his mouth, and then just connect the two once you draw the nose and the mouth together. You put a little dash where they connect, it looks like a smile. Now we'll add the top dorsal fin. Yep. And we'll do a bottom one too. Now we'll work on adding stripes for the fish. A couple squiggly lines close together will look like stripes. So that's one stripe. Now I'm going to add a second stripe. From the top to the bottom. And one close together just like that one. There you go. That looks pretty good. Now let's draw an eye right next to that stripe. Now I'll make a smaller circle inside that eye and color it in with the black marker. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now I'll put a small little eyebrow on top of that eye. Right in between the stripe and the eye. Oh, great! Now I'll put a spot on top of one of those fins and a stripe on the bottom fin. That fish looks pretty good. Now I'll add a couple of air bubbles coming out of the fish to look like he's really underwater. A half circle and then a couple of bigger circles just coming out of his mouth. Just like that. Finishing touches, I'm going to put some seaweed on the bottom of this ocean floor. A couple squiggly lines. I'll do one right over here. Some more plants. And lastly, I'm going to put a seashell. Now that we're done, it's time to use our imaginations and color this fish any color we want. I'll speed up the video so it goes by a little bit quicker. But I start out with yellow, I use some orange, some green on the grass. But use any colors you want and watch along and color your fish too. This sure was a lot of fun. I had a great time coloring this fish. Hope you guys did too. See you next time, everybody. Bye.